reggae music, yeah man. Yeah man. Me wake before the break of dawn. Hear Jah whisper, carry on. The world still weep, the system cold, but my story must be told. Me feel the fire in me chest. Truth refuse feel rest. Jah flame burn pure and bright. Guide me through the night. Them try to silence the righteous word, but me voice must still be heard. Every chain them build me break. Every lie me overtake. Me trod the valley, me climb the hill. Still me chant Jah will. From dust me come, to light me go. Redemption overflow. Me see the people searching still for peace against the wicked will. Them tired of war, them tired of pain. Them call Jah name again. Me bring the message through this song. Love are the force that keep we strong. Me chant for the lost, the blind, the meek. Jah justice them seek. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed. Plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean. Wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within, me spirit free. Forever guiding me. We see the wicked crumble down like castle made of sand and crown. The humble rise, the truth reveal. Jah love at the seal. Me see the children learn the way. Me see the elders kneel and pray. Inna the smoke of sacrifice, me find paradise. Them can't stop the flame inside. Rastafire can't hide. It burn for justice, burn for peace, till Babylon release. Me try do with hearts so full of grace. Me see Jah in every face. No weapon strong enough to kill. Jah fire still. When the darkness start to close, me remember what me chose. Not gold, not fame, not crown, but truth that never drown. Me see the signs, me read the sky. Freedom draw nigh. Fire of redemption light the road. Carry me heavy load. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed. Plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean. Wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within, me spirit free. Forever guiding me. Fire still burning, soul still bright. Guided by the ancient light. Every heart that seek the way, find Jah in the day. No evil plan can tear we down. We wear love like a crown. Fire of redemption never cease, bringing the world to peace. When me gone and the song still play, remember what me say. Hold the fire, keep it strong. Love forever long. Jah blaze eternal flame. Redemption call me name. Fire of redemption. Oi, oi, oi. Big spliff and coconut, yeah man. Hey, oh yeah, oh yeah. Under the rising sun, me pray for better youth and brighter day. Jah light guide every soul, unity the goal. Me walk through the street, me see the pain. People tired of Babylon chain. Me chant a song for the youth, them strong. Jah lead them where them belong. Me see the roots start grow again. Love wash away the sin. Every heartbeat, same time. Jah rhythm so divine. Me feel the breeze of ancient song. Remind we where we belong. No matter color, creed or place, I'll share Jah grace. Me plant the seed, me nurture peace, till hate and greed release. Every voice become a drum, till redemption come. Big roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Me see the youths, them stand and smile. Strength and hope for every mile. Them eyes reflect the future clear. No more pain, no fear. Me chant for justice, me chant for truth. Jah wisdom bless the youth. Me hold the torch for the next one till the healing done. Roots musician beat the drum. Better days soon come. Freedom spirit start to bloom. No more doom. Me plant the tree of love, me know. It grow where rivers flow. No system can erase the roots of Jah grace. Yeah. Roots of tomorrow grow. Plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. So when the storm try break the ground, remember our root sound. Deep in earth, them never die. Jah keep them high. Na na na. Me stand pan corner, drums them play, roots display. Me see the red, gold, green wave, I spirit fly. Rasta nation chant for change, no strange. We rise in Jah order truth. Me and you, from Kingston straight to Accra town. We all live down from hills of Ethiopia high. Bless Jah sky, Rasta people one vibration. True nation, no bother divide with soul. One goal, me see the system crumble slow. Them can't grow, we plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta nation rise, open eyes. Rasta nation strong and free. Jah family. Rasta nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the drummers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around, the youth them carry torch up. Fire never tire, Rasta nation build again. From pen, me see the queen wrap her crown. No back down, king and empress hand in hand. Across the land, we chant for justice true. For me and you, Rasta nation lead the way. New day, no division, no hate. Rasta create, from Africa to world. Flag unfurled, Rasta roots eternal flame. Praise Jah name, praise Jah name. Rasta nation strong and free. Jah family lead. Rasta nation roots so deep, faith we keep. One love foundation firm, Jah confirm. From hills of Zion, me hear a call. Bless the all. Drum beat echo through night. Guide the light. Me heart move to the tone. Me never alone. Me chanting a sacred style. For a while, Jah message through me flow. Let them know each word a holy seed. Fi heal the need. Zion echo pure and high. Reach the sky. Them try mute the sound, still it rebound. Me see the people wake, chains break. Rasta heart no fade, freedom made. Echo run deep and strong, jazz song. What? Echoes of Zion call the name, burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Me hear the trumpet blow from east, soul feast. Me sing till me voice run dry, still me try. Every chant me send, have no end. Zion echo call again, heal the pain. Me walk through the valley low, still me glow. Every rock me trod pan firm, me confirm. Zion spirit live inside, me guide. Echo reach from heart to ear, no fear. Me no silent, me no still. Jah will, when darkness tries suffocate, me elevate. Zion sound eternal flame, call Jah name. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Echoes of Zion call the name, burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Echoes of Zion never end. Guide with friend. Voice of Jah forever ring. Hear it sing. So when the world feel cold and torn, new hope born. Echoes of Zion call again. Free the chain. Free the chain. Free the chain. Free the chain. Early rise before the sun ignites. Silent light, no applause in the morning air. Still me prepare. Me lace me boots while city sleep. The promise keep discipline gold bend like sunrise glow. Slow grow. Me give success from belly grind. Focus mind, no shortcut road, no flashy claim. Earning. Me sacrifice short term thrill. Iron will. Comfort whisper soft and sweet. But me compete. Long road better than quick fame spark. Leave mark, golden discipline, steady fame, win game. legacy frame. CMA. Rastaman is so high. Hear the drum, hear the bass. Jah rhythm fill the place. People gather, people dance. Lift the spirit, lift the chance. Me feel the fire in my soul. Rhythm make me spirit whole. Every street, every lane, Jah love break the chain. Me chant for hope, me chant for light. Carry the message through the night. No fear, no doubt, no false pride. Only truth and love inside. The youth them rise, the elders guide. In a Jah we confide. Every beat a sacred sound. Freedom vibration all around. Me plant the seed, me water the ground. Love and unity always found. From the city to the mountain high. Jah bless the earth, Jah bless the sky. Fire in a rhythm, light the way. Burn the darkness, bring the day. One heart, one soul, one song. Jah love always strong. Spread the light, spread the cheer. Lift the people far and near. Me say the children jump and play. Sunshine guide the day. Elders chant, youth them learn. Life and love them earn. Me chant for peace, me chant for right. Carry the flame, carry the light. Every market, every street. Rhythm make the people meet. Me hear the laughter, me hear the sound. Blessings everywhere around. Together strong, together free. Jah love the eternity. Rising high, rising strong. Me chant a righteous song. No fear, no pain, no sorrow. Blessings come for tomorrow. Fire in a rhythm, light the way. Burn the darkness, bring the day. One heart, one soul, one song. Jah love always strong. Spread the light, spread the cheer. Lift the people far and near. So when the night seem long, remember Jah in the song. One love, one heart, one flame. Together we rise, never the same.
Lift the people, lift the land. Zion rise by Jah hand. No Babylon can hold it down. Zion rise, wear the crown. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion rise, carry you. Zion rise, strong and free. Echo through eternity. Every step a holy flame. Zion rise, call Jah name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Zion rise, all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion rise, shining strong. It lift the spirit, heal the soul. Zion rise, make we whole. Forever glorious. sun. Zion rise, never done. It lift the nation, lift the youth. Zion rise, Jah truth. Forever holy, strong and wide. Zion rise, holy tide. It break the chain, it break the wall. Zion rise, for all. It shine eternal, tall and strong. Zion rise, Jah song. No Babylon can keep it low. Zion rise, always show. Forever blazing, pure and free. Zion rise, destiny. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion rise, Jahan. When the trumpets sound again, Zion rise, still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion rise, bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion rise, show Jah way. Eternal rising, pure and long. Zion rise, Jah song. Rise high, rise true. Zion rise for me and you. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion rise, wear the crown. Zion rise, strong and free. Echo through eternity. Every step a holy flame. Zion rise, call Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion rise, still carry on. Na na na. Smoke curl slow like memory lane. Calm brain. Night sky mirror me in a view. Clear and true. Me sit alone but me not alone. Spiritual. Herb open space fit alt and fold. Pure gold. Me face mistake without disguise. Clear eyes. Reflection deeper than surface glance. Second chance. Me see pattern, me use repeat. Now delete. Growth require honest look. Open book. Herbal reflection. Mind awake, no fake. Herbal reflection. Truth reveal, time to heal.
every fall. Me stand tall. Accountability sharpen blade. Foundation laid. Smoke calm, ego loud demand. Any understand? In the quiet me hear me call. Beyond wall, vision from clarity base. Inner space, self-knowledge stronger than pride. Light inside every reflection. Steady sight in a light, every reflection. Soul aligned by design. Slow fade, but lessons stay. Ay, ay, ay. Tune me mind to higher wave. Stay brave. Frequency iron, sharp and clean, unseen. Me vibrate above bigger signals. Conscious choice, negativity can latch on me frame. Wrong game, me protect energy like sacred fire. Lift higher, thought discipline adjust me tone. Overthrown, low vibration fade away. Listen, iron frequency go through fog. Clear log, iron frequency. Strong signal send till the end. Iron frequency. Calm and wide from inside. Be a track what me project out, no doubt. So me gag me speech and aim. Same flame, positive charge, feel when me pass. Aftermath, when chaos try disturb me feel, me shield. Meditation strengthen line, divine. Iron mind plus humble heart.